Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so earlier today, we talked about a new version of Google Chrome, which was updated to actually give us Chrome 120. And I told you about a few new features, but 10 security fixes also. Now, if you're updating Chrome now, there's actually been an update to that update. So they have actually sent out bug fixes. So if you are now updating, you'll notice that the number that you have is different than the number that I was mentioning a little earlier. If you go into Chrome, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, and to help and about Google Chrome, you will be actually pushed to version 120.0.6099.71 or 70, depending on the PC that you have. And this does not contain any security updates. It is actually bug fixes. It would seem that there were a few bugs that appeared in version 120 that were quickly fixed. So we actually have been getting an update today to make sure that the Chrome version is stable and works well across platforms. So no security in the second update. It's really just bug fixes that have appeared since the release of version 120. So if you have seen my first video and your number doesn't match, it might match this one because this is a second update. In less than 24 hours for Google Chrome, once again, there was Chrome 120 that was released, and it has 10 security flaws, high severity, plus a few security features, including third-party cookie that are starting to get blocked on 1% of Chrome users, and that will reach 100% by June. And now the bug fixing updates for Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.